Hi there, students. To infiltrate, a verb. Infiltration, the noun of infiltrating. An infiltrator, the person. Okay, if you infiltrate a group or an organization, you become a member or you become part of that group in order to get information about that group, to get information that is not publicly available. So, for example, a journalist trying to infiltrate a criminal gang. Like that, the journalist knows what they're doing. Or a journalist trying to infiltrate a drug cartel. A great story, but you probably get killed. Or a policeman trying to infiltrate a criminal organization. A spy trying to infiltrate the military of another country. Okay, so to infiltrate, to become part of a group, to become part of a system so that you can secretly gather information about the organization's activities. An infiltrator. You can also use this word infiltrate in earth sciences, is water, where it flows slowly down through the earth, through the rocks, through the cracks. You'll find there is very little infiltration in desert regions, but in other areas that the water infiltrates until it reaches perhaps an aquifer or something like that. Okay, but to infiltrate, to gain access, to gain entry to an organization, but you do this surreptitiously, you do this gradually so that you can get secret information. So the trade union was infiltrated by informers to unobtrusively become part of become established in a group, to get intelligence, to get information about it. You could also use this word to infiltrate with troops, where you could infiltrate enemy lines, where troops pass in small groups or one through gaps in the enemy line. I think this is how the Germans broke the deadlock of trench warfare in the First World War. You infiltrate the enemy lines and you get behind the enemy lines. Okay, so, but to infiltrate. People infiltrate a place, they infiltrate an organization, they infiltrate into it. They enter secretly in order to spy on it. Maybe a protest very often can be infiltrated by people who are going to commit violence in order to discredit the process. So to penetrate, to get inside somewhere. Okay, the country set up a security zone round the border to prevent infiltration of enemy agents. The secret services infiltrated various different political groups. You could infiltrate somebody into an organization to get them in. So various countries have infiltrated their agents into the country's government. Okay, so infiltration, or to infiltrate, to surreptitiously penetrate, to gain access so that you could have information. Let's see, you could also use infiltration, for example, urban exploration, exploring parts of town which are off limits. So infiltration into the the Paris catacombs, for example. Yeah, infiltration. So, formality, infiltration, to infiltrate. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then, as to origin, medieval Latin, infiltratus, from infiltro, to filter inside, to get inside. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To infiltrate. An infiltrator. Infiltration.